not good. Look at that. That's 4. Wow. Let's have a party. Oh, wait, may cases. Oh, hala. Nalo yung karne sa mga cases tayo. Kape tayo. Hello. Tingnan nyo. Load din na naman siya. Ano kaya makuha natin dito eh? Ano ang makuha natin dito? May dala na akong bag ah. To the rescue ang bag ko. Hi! Wow! Mahal oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Look at that! It's loaded with beer! Of course! Oh my god! Just let's check this out. Oh! Oh, look, Balikbayan, Musketeers. Oh my god, loaded with chocolates. Oh, wow, chocolate. Yeah. Yeah. Ay, ang daming chocolate mga Mars. Ay, Musketeers. Musketeers. Uy, donut. No Twinkie. I think there's some there. Trash bag oh. Oh no, never mind. Oh wow. Ano naman to? Oh no, I'm not getting it. Nag-leak na, nag-leak. Huwag natin kunin yan. These are banana. Ibaba natin ha.
What kind of avocado drink is that?
Huh? I don't know. It's styrofoam. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh?
Got stuff in the bottom.
Yeah. That's probably what kind of stuff.
Cold.
This thing's probably not good. Look at that. That's 4. Wow. Let's have a party. Oh my god. Let's have a party. Our neighbor will be happy. Slow.
Holy moly.
Let me get this box.
You can get some work done.
Oh mahal, they didn't pick up the trash yet. Look, this has been here.
Oh, this?
Yep. And they put more liquor. Oh. Okay. Mag-party-party tayo. Huh? Let's have a party. Huh?
Red horse?
Yeah. Red horse. Bring their own pulutan, huh? Or we can sponsor the pulutan too. We have plenty of pulutan. Yeah, that work. We get a bunch of pulutan. Nice. It's funny because I was just looking at our old videos where we found a lot of beer. And there you go, they give us more beer. But you know, what I wish was flavored beer. This one. Yeah, wala na. I think I got it. Oh, there's another one. Ito, saging. Hindi na siguro pwede ito. Tingnan natin ito. Ito isang bag. Kung naman ito. Uy, mahal oh. Look. This is kind of cool. It's
Oh, it's a fountain. Cool.
fountain.
Yeah.
Nice. Huh? It's fountain for the birdie. Huh?
I think it's for inside your house.
Inside the house? Okay. Mabaho na ng karne, oy. Ang baho ng karne. Hindi na pwede ang karne. Ang karne ni Mr. Bean hindi na pwede. Sayang. Tingnan natin baka may chocolate pa. Huh? We put this down, love.
Yeah.
Oh. Hindi pa sila nag-pick up ng basura. Tingnan nyo, hindi na pwede yung karne mo. Uy, may cases. Oh, hala. Nalo yung karne sa mga cases tayo. Wow. Cases. Cases. Sayang yung karne. Pero ang chocolate pwede pa. Lumubo na. Naiwan yung box ko. Aray ko. Nilagyan. Malaglag tayo. Yung bag ko. May donut pa. Donut buy.
One of butt cakes.
Huh?
You get some of these
Yep.
already?
Wala pa. Put it here, love. The box. You got light? I'll go on this side. Dito tayo sa kabila. Kaya hindi nag-pick up ng basura dito. Alam. Oh no. Ay, kawawa naman, oh. There's a lot of pack one here, love, oh. Yeah. Ay, bungi na bungi yung kurotel. Hindi na pwede yan. Potatoes. That's a lot of potatoes here. Oh my goodness. We still have plenty.
Maybe put together some giveaway
Yeah.
for market.
This is only 3 bags. We'll give it away. What do you think? Oh, what you got? This is a lot. Oh, let me see. Pamigyan na lang natin to. What is this? Sliders. Oh, nice. I've been wanting to want this. There's more? Oh, I thought there's a lot.
What were you saying?
We'll give this away. Or I'll just get one. Lift this other two to the other dumpster diver.
Okay.
Because so that they get something here too. Sure man tayo. Tira naman tayo sa ating ka-dumpster. I think that's it.
Yeah. Did you investigate?
Huh?
Did you investigate these?
Oh no, that's very light. You want some pakwan?
Think it's good?
It's all good. Oh. Look,
Oh, it's so tiny.
there's nothing wrong with it. We'll grab a couple.
Oh, this one's.
Oh, yeah.
This one's
There's a lot. Oh,
yeah.
I don't know. Fruit punch.
Punch. It's a drink.
Oh,
In the little foil pack.
ito to. This one. Iwan natin yung iba. It's too bad there's a lot of potatoes. Oh. I hope that other dumpster, it's really bad.
Oh,
I'm afraid to get it.
yeah. Be contaminated with
Oh,
plastic.
sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Give it to neighbor.
Yeah.
What's in this bag, love?
Oh, something in the bottom. Cold.
Oh, maybe it's cream cheese. Oh, yeah. I think there's rotten meat in there too. Huh? Let me see. I don't know. Yep, it's salad. Tara na. Did you load the
Butter.
Did you load the beer? No, it's potato salad. Potato salad.
Oh. Just inside the top.
What's that? Nice. It's still frozen?
Yeah.
Okay. Natin to. Wait natin to. Balot yung sabon. Tara na. What is that? Baked scallop potatoes.
Oh, yum.
You think, oh mahal, it has leak.
Oh.
It's leaking. Oh,
Aw,
I'll just make some.
too bad.
We get cheese, you know.
Yeah. I go waffle.
No, I don't want that.
Bioengineered.
Yeah.
You don't have this problem in the Philippines, but our food, a lot of food here is poison.
Yeah, it's bioengineered. Nakatakot kainin mga Mars. It's all potato
It's all
salad.
potato salad, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just close it. Hoy mga Mars. Kala ko nagre-record ako. Ito, minako na ako dong ano oh, nor ba yun? Ito oh, may nor na tayo dito oh. Tapos may dog food. Kala ko talaga nagre-record ako, nakalimutan ko. Okay, makuha dito. Ano kaya ito ang bigat? Tingnan natin. Ano ko? Ano ka ang bigat? Hindi ko kaya ang bigat. Ang bigat talaga. Hindi kaya. Ay, pizza. Tapos ano pa yun? Ay, hindi na pwede yung mga pizza. Nugod ang pizza. Hindi na pwede. Aray ko. Try natin pasukan. Aray ko. Okay to. Uy, halo. Ang daming ano oh. Ang daming tinapon na ano oh. Na inumin. Hindi na pwede. Hindi na pwede ang inumin. Ito kaya. Wala, may landlord stuff oh. Oh, may tampaks. Ay, hala. Ito may gamit. May gamit pala oh. Ay, na ano, natabingi. Oh. Ano ba ito? Ay. Oo nga, oh. Sayang, oh. Basurahan siguro ito. Ano, itapon nila, oh. Basurahan nga. Uy, may tide, oh. May headphone pambata. Yan na yung bigat kasi may ano oh. Hindi na pwede. Ito, wala kape. May kape pala. Ano may kape? Oh, may Folgers. Yan natin baka puro kape laman itong isang bag. Ang kape nga. Oh, hala. Aray ko. May Folgers coffee. Ito. Balik ka dun. Kape tayo. Ito pa. Ito hindi na pwede. Ano to? Ano to hindi na pwede? Walang pang kape. Ayan. Di ba? Buti na lang napansin ko. Nakailang kape din tayo. Hala, 5 kape. Okay, tara na. Hello mga Mars. Andito ulit tayo sa Big Bin. Tingnan natin kung ano makuha natin dito. Nagtapon sila ng ano dito. Pasukin natin. May nakuha na ako ditong ano, pasta. Ito. Ay, ang dami nilang itinapon na ano. Aray ko. Ano to? Hala, may cheese. Mahal, there's a lot of cheese here, May mga cheese. May mga cheese silang itinapon. Ano ba to? Tandoori. Ano to? Hindi na to pwede. May bag doon, May bag dito, Mga may pera. Baga may pera. Gamit na yung bago. Kawawa naman. Be careful, love. Walang pera. Walang bag. Gamit na itong bag niya. May lighter, magkano kaya ito? Ay, hindi na. May nagtapon nga dito ng ano. Dito tayo sa, ayan, tingnan nyo. Kunin natin itong cheese. Let me get this cheese. Cheese. Yeah. Cheese. May cheese.
Something here in some boxes. I can't tell if it's crackers or what it is.
I'm looking. I'm here. Wow, there's a lot. Oh my God. It's a...
Yeah, that. What is that?
Stars Original. It's a cracker. That's a lot of cracker. Na natin. At least it's not bioengineered, huh? No, it's not. I don't think. Blueberry vanilla goat cheese. Ooh.
Oh yeah, get that.
Yeah. Let's see. Huh? What is this? Burrata black truffle. You want some truffle? Original hot habanero salsa. You want some habanero salsa? Okay. Ang daming mga Mars. Wow. Jackpot. Aray ko. Jackpot na naman natin. Huh? Let me get this. Star daw. Star ng buhay mo. Star. Ang star ng buhay. Okay. Pita chips lemon. Do you wanna get this? Oh, there's some potato chips here too. Yeah. Ay, Rick. No, I can't put more in it. I'll get this box. Aray ko. Gawin natin itong box. Oh. Ayan. Pita chips. Organic. Hala siya. Ano to? What's this? Cheddar cheese. Goat cheese. Huwag natin kunin lahat. Sobrang dami. Yeah. Oh. Olives. There's a lot of habanero. I already have a lot.
Oh, don't get a lot of that.
Yeah.
One is fine.
Oh yeah? Okay. We can leave the rest to the other dumpster diver. You know, we need to share some. Okay. I-share natin yan sa ibang nag-dive kasi may nag-diving din dito. Alright, tara na. Itira natin yung iba sa dumpster diver. Kawawa naman sila. Uy! Macaroni salad ko. Macaroni.
It's one of those 99-cent bags.
Right? What's my feet? Is that it? Okay. Oh, thank you. Hello. Can you hear me? Ano ang andito? Puno ang ating basurahan. Ay, ala. Mayroon nga laman si Mr. Bean. Ang dami. Oh, uy. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami. Tingnan natin ito. Mabigat ito. Ala, dilata. Oh. Ay. Ala siya. Peanut brittle. Ano to? Wood floor cleaner. Look. Kunin natin. Ang dami laman. Hello siya, oh, dami, oh. Yeah. Wood floor cleaner, kunin natin yan. Nahaluan ano to? Fresh cut diced potato. Uy, yung ganda. Ano to, oh, tray baga to, oh. Ano, hindi naman basag. Kunin natin yan. Peanut brittle. Brittle. Ano to? Para saan to? Pang body scrub. Raisins. At merong parmesan cheese. Fake parmesan. Fake na parmesan cheese. Uy, may battery, oh. Baka magamit pa natin yan. Kuha tayo ng bag dito. Ang box ba? Alam, meron pa. Wait mo, magkalat. Ano yun? Bukas. Ay, meron ano, oh. Storage. Storage daw to. Ay, ala. Ano natin, oh. Sayang. Sayang na sayang. Talaga. Ito. Oops. Umigay natin to, oh. Madaming makinabang nito. Diba? May ketchup pa. May ketchup, oh. Bain ketchup. May ketchup pa. Ang pangan dito. Ano to? Nail polish. Laman. Nail polish. Or sa kilikili. Kilikili. Thank you. May ano. Wow. Sari-saring laman ni Mr. Bean. May isang M&M. Ay. Nagkuha ng bagsi agom. Nag-uutun man. Yeah. Say natin ang pag-uwi sa bahay. Separate that. Sila, thank you. I think there's more stuff there. Wait mo. Sayang bagaw. Nice. Ay. Tingnan pa natin baka meron pa. Meron pa ako. Ay. Wala, storage. Ay, basag. Basag na mga storage. Basag kaya to. Ay, basag na. Naglaglagan siguro to. Huwag natin kunin. Basura lang sa bahay. Wala na. There's more? Wala na? Okay, tara na. Wala na. Tara, let's... Mga Mars, ayan, ito na ang ating mga naharbat. Uy, ulala, ang ating gabi ay masaya na naman at marami tayong nakuha. So, ayan, isa-isay na natin. Ko, napakadami nito. Diyos ko, magwawalwal, bangingi ka pag naubos mo ang madaming beer na ito. Ayan, beer Coors Light. Ayan, 2 case niyan. At meron tayo ditong 6 na nasa bote. Coors Light din, beer. At meron tayo ditong ka-cute-cute na Miller High Life. The champagne of beers. 3 ganyan. At ito namang Keystone Coors Brewing Light. Keystone Light. So, puro light beer. Itong mga nakuha natin. Ito naman na nakuha natin ay 3 dosena. 1.5 dosena na ganyan na nakuha natin. Ay, hindi, 4. 2 dosena pala kasi ito pa yung isang ano. Ito pa yung isang ano, box. Wala naman laman nito. Isang box. Wow. Ito, 1 dosena yan siya. 2 1 dosena. Tapos ito naman ay taga-6. Pare-pareha sila. Bangingi tayo niya. Pag ayan ay naubos. Grabe, ang dami. Diyos ko. At meron tayo nitong 6 cube storage rack. Ito ay wala namang ano. Siguro tinapon nila kasi ano lang siya, bukas. Nabuksan siguro. Ayan Kompleto naman ang laman niya mga Mars. Kompleto yung ano niya. Nasa yung kanyang parts. Ayan. At ang ating, syempre hindi mawawala yung Folgers coffee. Ayan. Folgers black silk. 5 container na malaki. Yung isa, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko na yung akala ko nakuha ko yung takip nito. Sayang, wala yung takip, pero nakasealed naman siya. Ayan, may 5 tayong cafe. At meron tayong Smucker's Uncrustables peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich. Ayan, 1 box. Meron tayo ditong Ziploc baggies. At merong mascot peanut brittle. At ang ating madaming musketeers. 3 musketeers chocolate. Ang dami. Oh, ang dami nating nakuha. Ayan. Manakit ang ipin. Oh. 3 musketeers. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung panglagay natin sa cookies na masarap ay Reese's peanut butter chips. Ayan. Ang dami din ito. Oh. Pinalo nila doon sa karne. Buti na lang. Tingnan ko talaga yung kinaltal ko yung bag ng karne. Ayan. Meron tayo yan. Ang chocolate. At ito namang Lucky Habanero Salsa. Ayan. At ito, meron tayo ditong Belgioso. Burrata with black truffles. Ito ay from Italy. Ayan, oh. Ano siya ng Italy? From Italy siya. At Ellsworth white cheddar cheese curds. Ayan, dalawa. At meron tayo ditong Knorr pasta sides, butter and herb. 3 ganyan. At ang ating organic Cara oranges. Hindi pa naugasan. At meron tayo ditong isa lang yung kinuha ko na pakwan. Isang napaka-cute na pakwan. At itong smoked Gouda boar's head. Smoked Gouda cheese. Ayan, dalawa. At ito, curious ako dito. Ano kaya lasa nito? Isang blueberry vanilla goat cheese creamy sweet tart. Ayan naman, no? 4 yung nakuha natin. At itong the Laughing Cow plant-based. So, made with, almond milk, not cow's milk. At ito namang pita chips, lemon herb. Ayan. At ang abubot dito, may abubot tayo dito. Oh. Itong mga tray, wala naman siya mga problema. Ang gaganda pa, oh. Itong mga kulay green na tray. Ito naman ay pang body scrub sa likod. At ito, meron tayo dito Crayola Colors of Kindness bathtub finger paint soap. Rise above purple. Ayan. At itong lip gloss with pom-pom. So, tinapon nila kasi parang nawawala yung pom-pom, oh. Wala yung kapares ng yun. At ito, siya open na, pero kinuha ko pa rin kasi sayang, oh. Magamit mo pa rin yung tirang nail polish, Luxury nail polish remover. At ito, meron tayo ditong Peppa Pig na headphone for kids. At ito namang mini LED makeup mirror. So, powered by battery yata ito. Tingnan mo, 125 cents. Speed Stick Power Fresh. Ito ay deodorant. At ang ating mga organic na Stacy's Pita Chips. Simply naked. Naked? Baka bake. Simply bake siguro ito. So, ayan. At ang Clover Valley Peppered Beef Jerky. 2 beef jerky. At Del Monte Harvest Diced Potatoes. And meron tayong vine ripe ketchup. Ito tinapon nila kasi basag yung takip. Pero siya, unopen siya mga Mars. Hindi pa siya bukas. Sayang din yan. Itong isang raisinets. Tampax Pearl. At ang Baby Bond Hostess Strawberry Cheesecake. 3. At meron tayo ditong 3 Hostess Jumbo Donuts. At ang JJ's Bakery Mini Apple Pies. And madami din yan. At itong Hostess Donuts. Mga donuts yan. 4 na donut. At itong mini pretzel. At madami tayong nakuha nitong Valley Lavosh Baking Stars. Ayan. Ilang box din yan. 10 siguro. 2, 4, 6, 8. Siyam na box. At ito meron tayo ditong grated Parmesan cheese. At ito namang Home Bright Wood Floor Cleaner. Cedar Basil. Ayan. So, ayan lahat ang ating mga naharbat mga Mars. Sulitin yung gabi natin kagabi. Marami tayong nakuha. Sulit ang pagod at ang puyat. O, diba? So, ayan mga Mars, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Pa-subscribe and share, pa-comment po sa aking video. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye!